Return of the Bird Tribe's Star Keepers. Blue Ray Message by Shekina Rose. Winged starseeds with the multidimensional aspects of the Creator's songs come from many different ascended planets and light realms to enlighten, holding the keys to consciousness of genetic coding, healing, of the divine angelic human, of the many worlds and timelines, the volunteers of the universe who heard the call of Earth, of Gaia. You are unique in their orientations of the rays of creation, with the specific encoding of light from your part of creation, Sirian, Pleiadian, Lyra, Venus, light crystal realms, galactic federation of light. You are the ground crew, the lost winged starseed who are awakening their light walk, that work closely with the consciousness of Gaia and nature, who are ultra-sensitive empathic soul group, to be able to restore the crystalline ley lines of Gaia and crystalline light body. Galactic Star Goddess Bird Tribes. Blue Ray Starseed Sensitive Empath Sharing. Cathedral Vortex Transmission Sedona Crystal City of Lights. New Octave Wave Frequency Love Upgrade. From our Mother Earth Goddess Gaia. She is sharing on many levels and expressions and showing you personally, wherever you are. She is reaching through your heart to expand and be the truth, beauty, and expression of your essence. The higher heart, it is a divinity, a sacred sovereign power where immense bravery and courage is required, and you don't have to go anywhere but where you are. As the universe is orchestrating everything, you know when it is time to move forward and when it's time to retreat. Follow the inner feeling, knowing of the empathic senses and new brilliance of clarity that comes. We are all feeling this in different ways and levels, and yes, the sacred feminine shining through all hearts and souls. She is heard and felt in many ways. Honor what you feel. Honor your intuition. It is safe to listen and trust what you know. Higher 5D Heart Awakening. You may feel vulnerable and raw at times as the higher heart is awakening through your soul emotion body. It is a holy power that you are pulling in from the grander source of who you are. You are being shown where to transmute the mental perception veils of anything that has limited who you truly are. Might also feel strange sensations or lightness of a feeling you have not felt in the middle higher heart area that is beyond feeling and sometimes feeling wonderful as you are dancing with the clouds of heaven, and then you may feel like crying as the sensitivity is welling up, though know this is your treasure unfolding. You are the divine template being unveiled. Thank you, I love you for being life lived through your eyes and felt through your love, the power of the Creator you are. Know you are all powerful in this. I love you. Blue Ray Empath, Pleiadian portal power of divine love is calling you. The 1111 awakening phenomenon is a pre-encoded triggering sequence to activate a massive wake-up call for starseeds to a higher mission to accomplish in your connection together. The 111111 portal exists through time and space and is not a one-time gathering. It can be used like a vortex and transmitter of concentrated energy, like your churches and power places of the world. Remember, this synchronistic code configuration creating energy portals existed before the 111111 and will continue to energetically reconfigure based on the direct collaboration of consciousness at the time and space that are imprinted thereon. You have great unlimited and untapped divine power together in unifying in the holy matrix, the light field consciousness. Your guide is through your innate intuitive empathic awareness and telepathic abilities. Come from the heart center or higher heart and merge in light consciousness to other beings at the place of your soul's higher source. This light consciousness exists within every cell of your body where you tap into and come online in the name of the divine holy power peace. Peace is a true power that you will come to know as a magnificent and wonderful field of resonance that is part of you, humanity and Prime Creator, 333. Yes, it is true. You can change the world as you are the world. By the mother frequency with Gaia, not being against what appears to be the opposition, pain and separation, use your divine will to unite and bypass the resonance field that would take you down into lower density. What is required is to have the higher divine matrix online and available so that the field can hold to higher consciousness and resonance for sacred technologies that serve unity, law of one, and peace. 13. Starseed, light bearer, and angelic. You had these abilities in the times of Atlantis and Lemuria, and from the higher dimensional and other planetary systems that you came from. It will not take the whole world to awaken to know and get this. You are many and all over the world for a reason, to be the anchors of divine source light peace. You agreed to come to Earth during these unprecedented evolutionary times to be an awakening starseed, ambassador of peace, truth, and light. You are now awake, starseed, synchronizing in the fields of light. 3-3. Shekina Rose of ShekinaSpeaks.com. Blu-ray starseed, channel, and peace emissary, language of light harmonic vocalist. Read independently by Receiving Love.